Have you ever seen integration of 1 upon 3 sin x plus 4 cos x and got afraid? Don't worry, watch this complete video and this scary question will become one of the easiest integration questions using a smart trick. So this is Kaushal Chaudhary. Welcome back to the integration practice series for class 12 CBSE and ISE students preparing for board exam. Today we'll solve integration of 1 upon 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. The key idea is whenever we see any expression of the type a sin x plus b cos x in the denominator, we replace this a sin x plus b cos x by r into sin x plus alpha, where r is equals to root over of a square plus b square and tan alpha is equals to b by a. Now you must be wondering how. Here a is equals to 3 and b is equals to 4. So just let a as r cos alpha, that is equals to 3, and let b be r sin alpha, which is equal to 4. Now let's just square and add both the equations. We will get r square cos square alpha plus r square sin square alpha equals to 3 square plus 4 square, which is 9 plus 16, 25. So I'll take r square common out and we'll get cos square alpha plus sin square alpha in the brackets, which is 1 eventually, which is 25. So r over here will become root over 25, which is 5. After this, we can write the denominator 3 sin x plus 4 cos x as 3 was r cos alpha means 5 cos alpha into sin x as it is, plus 4 can be written as r sin alpha, which is 5 sin alpha and cos x as it is. Okay. If you take out 5 common, you will get sin x into cos alpha plus cos x into sin alpha in the brackets, which is eventually sine of x plus alpha using the sine a plus b formula. So our integral becomes integration of 1 upon, the denominator can be written as 5 sine x plus alpha. Alpha is a constant. 1 by 5 will be taken out and we are getting integration of 1 by sine means cosec x plus alpha. We know that the integration of cosec x is log mod tan x by 2. So integration of cosec x plus alpha will get log mod tan x plus alpha by 2 plus c. So finally we get 1 upon 5 log mod tan. I'll just split x by 2 can be written as x by 2 as it is, and I'll get alpha by 2. So that is half into alpha. What is alpha? Tan alpha was b by a. So taking tan on the right hand side, so alpha will become tan inverse b by a. Okay. And we will get tan inverse. What was b? B was 4 and a was 3 in our question. Friends, you can see this result tan alpha equals to b by a is derived after dividing the second equation r sin alpha equals to 4 by the first equation r cos alpha equals to 3, where a is 3, b is 4. Comment done if you solved it correctly. Also comment whether you want one more question like this in this integration practice series. If you liked the video, please press the like button, share the video with your classmates, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you do not miss any important integration question which will occur in this integration practice series. So signing off students, thank you so much.